Hello, in this tutorial I'll teach you how to create a fractal glass texture in Photoshop. In my case, I'm using a 1920 by 1080 canvas. Select the rectangle tool from the toolbar. Then click and drag from the edge of your image to draw a rectangle. Next, apply a black and white gradient to this shape using the gradient tool. To do this, I'll click on the gradient panel, set the angle to 180 degrees and apply it. Now, place copies of this shape across the entire canvas. I'll hold Shift to select multiple layers, then use Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V to duplicate them. Once finished, select all layers, merge them and rasterize. A quick texture refinement. Next, go to Filter, Distort, Twirl. Here we'll apply the twist effect to our gradient. For my canvas size, I'm setting the angle to 94. Adjust this individually based on your canvas. Perfect, the texture is ready to save. Go to File, Save As, and choose the Photoshop PSD format. This format is crucial. It's the only one recognized by the glass filter we'll use next. Now, open the photo we'll be processing. I've chosen this shot and next go to Filter, Filter Gallery. In the window that opens, select Distort and find the glass filter. Then click Load Texture and open the previously saved file. Let's look at the settings. Distortion increases or decreases the effect. Smoothness, as the name suggests, smooths out the rough edges. And also scaling, changing the size of fractal texture. When the preview looks good to you, apply it by clicking OK. The effect already looks cool, but let's enhance the depth. Go to the Adjustments panel and select Gradient. By default, it's black and white, but we're about to change that. Click directly on the gradient in the Properties panel to open the editor. I'm using my own custom preset pack here. I'll choose one as a starting point and then twerk it to match our image, adjusting the blend and intensity. A couple more touches and the effect is ready. If you want to support my channel, you can buy the full pack of 30 custom gradients. The link to purchase is in the description. New glass effect added to your toolkit. Sub for more pro tips and thanks for watching.